Hey everybody, so for Calc 3 this year, I'm going to have you learn a markup language called LaTeX, and this is going to help us write up documents in math a lot easier. So this is something I wrote up in grad school. Actually, it's a paper, and a lot of times in the technical world, you actually just have to submit a tech document, so something that was written up in LaTeX to your reviewers. And now there's like kind of Google Doc type things for LaTeX. And basically this video, I'm just going to show you how to get set up so you can do things like this. And there really is other versions out there of things like this, but the staple that everyone uses to do things like that is LaTeX. So I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to set that up. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to actually have to get the language. So if you go to Google and just download MikTeX, this works on, it should say it there, but I'll just click this. So if you click download, you can see Windows, Macs, Linux, and very straightforward, just click whichever one you have and hit download. And this is basically just the actual code, so the LaTeX code. And you need something to run it. And I personally like something called TechMaker. So this is just an editor program, and this works on all operating systems as well. You can just hit download. And as you use it more, you'll get more friendly and used to it and everything. There are other ones out there. When I have a PC, but I think Tech Shop, maybe it was, yeah, it was with it. So Tech Shop is one that, so these are your Mac operating systems, right? So if you have a Mac, you might like this, but they're all kind of the same. There's another one called Atom, which is a kind of fancier one, and I've used it a little bit, but really any of those would work. I personally just recommend you get TechMaker, and this is it downloaded on my computer. And when you first get it, it's going to be a blank document. And in a separate video, I'll show you how to actually get some output from LaTeX, so we can start doing things like this. And the only other thing I kind of want to show you here is something called Overleaf. So Overleaf is kind of a Google Docs type version where you do need an internet connection to use it. So the other ones I showed you, you can just download to your computer and use them anytime. And Overleaf, though, you need the internet. And basically, the nice thing about this is it saves to like a cloud. And the other kind of nice thing, so if I click like new project and maybe like homework assignment, I can basically click a template. I'm just gonna pick this one. So I can open as template, and basically this kind of will get me started. So all this over here is basically when you compile it up here, it would give you this output here. And the nice thing about this is it will sometimes be helpful to kind of look at the code to kind of know, so you kind of go back and forth and see, okay, well, in order to get this picture, I needed, so that picture is right here. So you can kind of see how they included that picture by looking right here. And so you can kind of go back and forth, and just like anything, the more you try this, the better you're going to get at it. So you might like this one, and for this, you actually don't need to download anything at all. You don't need to download the language because it's going to be built into this program. But sometimes the internet's not great, and you might want a hard copy. I personally do most of my stuff just here. You can actually see when I go back to my Overleaf, I don't have much in here. Really, this was more for showing different students how to use Overleaf over the years. And that's a quick video, just to kind of help you get started.